5 mind-bending psychology facts I bet you don't know. 1. Did you know people can actually have false memories of things that never happened? Crazy, right? A study from the University of California, San Diego, showed participants a mix of real and fake images. When they were asked to recall details, many remembered things that weren't even there. This phenomenon is called the Dies-Roediger and McDermott paradigm, or DRM for short. It just goes to show that our memories aren't always reliable because our brains try to fill in gaps with details that sound plausible, even if they're not true. 2. Multitasking might sound impressive, but it actually makes your brain less efficient. A study in psychological science found that those who think they're great at multitasking performed worse on cognitive tests than those who don't. Our brains just aren't wired for it. When we juggle multiple tasks, our focus and attention drop, which leads to less efficiency. 3. You might remember emotionally charged events less accurately than neutral ones. Research published in Emotion found that when participants read emotional news stories, they recalled those less accurately than neutral ones. It seems our brains focus more on the emotional aspects and forget the details. So, we might remember how we felt, but not exactly what happened. Did you know your brain is busy deleting info while you sleep? Yup. While you're dreaming, your brain sorts through everything and gets rid of what it doesn't need. This is super helpful for consolidating memories and keeping what's important. But here's the catch. If you don't get enough sleep, it can mess with your memory, especially for emotionally charged stuff. So, catch those Z's to help your brain do its thing. 5. Cognitive dissonance can lead us to lie to ourselves. You know that awkward feeling when your beliefs clash with your actions? That's cognitive dissonance. To ease that discomfort, we sometimes end up telling ourselves little white lies. A study in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that folks experiencing high cognitive dissonance were more likely to lie in self-reports. These lies are often just tiny tweaks to help maintain a positive self-image.